Hello guys, welcome in Tech Jarvis. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to root Samsung Galaxy J7 without installing any TWRP recovery. So guys, this method it works for all the Samsung devices. And I'm gonna show you my device is Galaxy J7 and model number is J700F and which is running on Android version 6.0.1. So guys, first thing you need to enable developer option. So tap on build number 5 times to enable the developer option and go back and here is the developer option. You need to enable USB debugging option and enable OEM unlock 2 and go back. First of all, I'm gonna show you any custom recovery is installed on my device or not. So I'm gonna boot my phone into the recovery mode by pressing volume up, power key and home key simultaneously. So guys, as you can see, any custom recovery is not installed on my device. This is the Samsung main recovery. So I'm gonna reboot my device. Now my device is rebooted. So guys, first thing let's check and my phone is rooted or not. So I'm gonna open root checker basic app to check my phone is rooted or not. Click on verify root. So as you can see, my device is not rooted yet. So the first thing is you need to download Magisk Manager from the description box and install Magisk Manager. And guys, the another thing and the main thing is the boot image. You need to download boot image for your device. You can download boot image from the description box. I already download this boot image. I'm gonna show you. Here is the boot.img. Guys, do not flash this boot image or any other phone's boot image in your device. You can download this boot image from our website. Guys, this is our website bootimg.in. You can download all the devices boot image from here. Guys, we are working on this project but this is not completed. In future we will be update all the boot image for all the Android devices. You can download any boot image for any device. Here is the Samsung, so I'm gonna open the Samsung device and you can select the Note series and Samsung Galaxy S series and M series. You can download all the Samsung series devices boot image from our website. So must visit our website. So now I download my boot image. So open Magisk Manager and click on install. Allow the permissions and click on next. Click on select and fetch a file and select the boot image which you download earlier. So I'm gonna select this boot.img and click on let's go and it's downloading some file, so wait. Now processing is started. Unpacking boot image. So file is created, output file is returned to download folder. So go to download folder, my files and go to download folder and here is the Magisk patched. Here is the file patched by the Magisk. So guys, you need to flash this file with the help of Odin. So connect your phone with the PC and move this file to your PC. Now my phone is connected. So guys, it's time to move to the PC screen. So in PC, open your phone memory and here is open file manager and open your device, open phone and move to download folder and here is the Magisk patched file. Copy this file and paste this file to any folder. I'm gonna paste on my desktop and here is my pasted. Here is my copy image. Now you need to download this folder and extract this folder. Folder is extracted, and open this extracted folder and open this tar tool, and here copy this Magix file to this folder and rename this file to boot.img and hit enter. And now run this script image to tar.md5 and wait. Now our file is created, as you can see, boot.tar.md5. Now open Odin and click on AP and select the patched file. Here is the boot.tar.md5 and click on open. It's time to boot your phone into the downloading mode. So I'm gonna power off my phone and disconnect my phone and boot my phone into the recovery mode by pressing volume down, power key and home key simultaneously. And now press volume up to continue, and here FRP unlock. So connect your device with the PC, and here I'm gonna press start button to start flashing, and my device is added, so I'm gonna press start button and flashing is started. To reset, pass, and my phone is reboot automatically. I can see my phone is rebooted automatically. So wait guys, first boot may take time, so be patient. I'm gonna fast forward the video. Now as you can see, my phone is successfully boots up. It's time to check Magix is successfully installed or not. So I'm gonna open Magix Manager. Now, so yes, as you can see, Magix Manager is successfully installed, which is version 21.4. So by this way you can install Magix Manager. Let's check my device is rooted or not, and click on verify root. And grant the permissions. So congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. So guys, by this way you can root your device, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.